Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove a pull request on GitHub. While GitHub doesn't allow you to permanently delete pull requests, you can close them to mark them as inactive, which effectively removes them from your active list while keeping them in your project's history for future reference. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your credentials. After you're signed in, you'll land on your GitHub dashboard where you can access all your repositories and activity. Now, navigate to the upper right corner of your screen and click on the Pull Requests button. This will take you to a page that displays all pull requests associated with your account, both the ones you've created and those assigned to you across different repositories. However, I don't have any pull requests at the moment, so I'll show you the next steps using an example to guide you through the process. Once you're on the pull requests page, locate the specific pull request you want to remove from the list. You'll see pull requests organized by repository, and each one will show its title, status, and other relevant details. Take a moment to identify the correct one you need to close. Click on the title of that pull request to open its details page. This page contains all the information about the pull request, including the proposed changes, comments from collaborators, and the merge status. It's essentially the control center for that particular pull request. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the pull request page just below the comment box. This is where you'll find the action buttons for managing the pull request. Here, you'll see several options depending on the current state of the pull request. Look for the Close Pull Request button, which appears in gray. This button allows you to close the pull request without merging it, effectively removing it from your active pull requests while preserving it in the repository's history. Click on this button to proceed. A confirmation dialog will appear asking you to verify your action. Click I understand, close this pull request to confirm. This extra step ensures you don't accidentally close important pull requests, as closing them changes their status and removes them from active consideration. Finally, verify that the pull request now shows as closed in the pull requests list. You'll notice it appears grayed out or marked with a closed status, indicating it's no longer active. The pull request will still be accessible if you or your team needs to reference it later, but it won't clutter your active pull requests anymore. Keep in mind that GitHub doesn't allow permanent deletion of pull requests. Closing them simply marks them as inactive, but they remain in your repository's history for reference. This is intentional as it helps maintain a complete record of all proposed changes and discussions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.